Hi everyone, I'm Ed Tapper back from Mr. C's Auto Mart. We're reshooting this car because I messed up the previous video. It's a new arrival, a white platinum. That's a custom tricoat color, 2013 Ford Explorer Limited all-wheel drive. We called it a front-wheel drive before, and this has every conceivable option. This has the black 20-inch, sorry about shaking there, 20-inch wheels, 10-spoke wheels with hand-truck tires. It's got panoramic sunroof, rear DVD, navigation, heated and cooled seats, power folding rear seats. It's got the 3.5-liter EcoBoost turbo engine. It's got the tow package, it's over 5,000 pounds, so it's got everything. And it's in great condition, fully serviced. The rear DVD is the factory rear DVD. You see it has rear tinted glass, aluminum vertical roof rails, chrome door handles. It's got the passive entry, remote start. And as we come around the back here, you'll see the tow package with a wiring harness. Again, it tows 5,000 pounds. It's got a power liftgate. It's got your rear buckets, rear storage compartment, and power folding seats. So if you fold the seat and stow the seat, it's very simple. Now the seat on the driver's side sticks a little, and that's very common with these. And we don't want to buy a new seat, but it is easy to manually do it by, you just have to get it to the front of the seat when you fold it flat and make sure it's all the way flat, and then it'll work. We have your middle buckets that fold and tumble. So they fold forward and then they tumble forward. So we would have easy access to the back seat, center armrest. Here's your rear DVD system. We were showing you that before. That's factory, that's Ford. Heated and cooled memory seats. Power seats on both sides. The big digital radio, touchscreen radio with all your options. It's got a smoke glass. It's not glass, it's plastic. Door sills, aluminum, memory. That's your tow components. It has suspension control. So those are suspension modes for snow, mud, sand, or auto, which it's in now. There's your panoramic sunroof. It has a power sunshade. There's your, oh, the liftgate's ajar, so that's okay. Power. That's your 141,000 miles. We have this for $12,998, and we would invite you to come by and take a look. Call me at 708-473-2014 or visit the website, mrcsautomart.com. And we're looking forward to assisting you. Thanks.